Yes, good afternoon, Aditya.
Good afternoon, sir.
How is your life going on? Good
Good, sir.
afternoon, students, everyone. So basically, Nikita ma'am's mother-in-law's health is actually not stable now. So due to that reason, you just need to adjust for the time being. So for economics, I will announce suitable timings later. So yesterday we had solved one question and this chapter is actually very easy. So let us solve one more question where we need to prepare the balance sheet. So here we have question number 24, preparation of balance sheet. So let us solve the question. A, B and C were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. So this is the old ratio. And balance sheet is given. Now in the balance sheet on the liability side, can I say you are able to see the general reserve? Yes. So generally we need to distribute this general reserve among the partners. And here we don't have any advertisement suspense account. Then on 1st April 2015, ABC decided to share the profits equally. So 1:1:1 is the new ratio. Now, why they give old ratio and new ratio? Because if they give old ratio and new ratio, we can find gain or sacrifice and accordingly we can adjust the goodwill. Goodwill को हम adjust कर सकते हैं using old ratio and new ratio. So for this, it was agreed that goodwill of the firm be valued at 1,50,000. So goodwill is already given to you. एक entry हमें pass करनी होगी and to pass that entry we need to know whether there is gain or sacrifice. पहले देख लेते हैं क्या पूछा है. Prepare the revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. So three things are asked from us. So let us prepare revaluation, then partners capital, then balance sheet. So here we go. Yesterday's question was very important. If you missed this question, please go through the recording. Question number 24. So I will write first of all revaluation account. We need to prepare revaluation account. Around 7-8 lines are sufficient. So for 7-8 lines, you prepare a revaluation account. And then we need to prepare partners capital accounts, where basically I have 3 partners. Again, around 6-7 lines are sufficient. Around 8 lines you can leave for this account, which is partners capital accounts. And we prepare column wise. So there are 3 partners. So left side may 3 columns, right side may 3 columns. If possible, you can take the 2 pages simultaneously. So it is my partner's capital account. I'll make a heading. Partners capital accounts, debit and credit has to be mentioned. Partners are A, B and C. So I will write the names. And earlier revaluation was also to be given the name of sites as debit and credit. After this, you also need to prepare the balance sheet of a company. So for balance sheet, half page is required, and it is preferable to create 2 columns to show some adjustments. Sometimes there is addition, plus or minus. So here you will have to write balance sheet as at. Now, date of change of ratio, which is 1st April 2015. So 1st April 15. Here we have liabilities, rupees, and then assets and rupees. And after I prepare the balance sheet, I need some space for working. So I hope you have prepared the format. सबसे पहले we record opening capital in partners capital credit side. So by balance brought down, opening capital we will write A, B, and C 1,50,000 and 25,000. So 1,50,000 and 25,000. After this, we need to distribute the reserves. Okay, just have a look at this. General reserve ke bare mein they have not given information. It means we need to distribute. So general reserve we will distribute in the old ratio. So by general reserve, and look here how to divide this 30,000 to be divided in the ratio 3:1. 3:2:1. So 3/6. 3/6 is half. Or shortcut 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. 6 5s are 30. So one factor is 5,000. Okay, and double of this. So 5 2s are 10,000. So 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. 30,000 divided by 6 will give you 5,000. So one value is 5,000. So 5,000 into 1, 5,000 into 2, and 5,000 into 3. So by this way, we can divide the reserves. Okay, now we need to go for this adjustment. Goodwill is 1,50,000. So we already know in case of goodwill what to do. We prepare the table like this. We write ratio, then names of the partners. First we write new ratio, then we deduct old ratio to get whether there is gain or sacrifice. So partners are A, B, and C. First of all, I will write new ratio and I will minus old ratio. I get gain if it is positive, or I get sacrifice if it is negative. So old ratio is 3:1. So 3/6, 2/6, 1/6. Then a new ratio in the question it is given, it is equal 1:1:1. So 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. But here I have 6. So I need to multiply with 2/2. So it is 2/6. Here also it will become 2/6. And here also it is 2/6. 2/6 minus 3/6. 2 minus 3. So it is minus 1/6. So there is a sacrifice by partner A. तो इसका कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट करेंगे हम। 2/6 minus 2/6 0, no gain, no sacrifice. 2/6 minus 1/6, so 2 minus 1/6. So here there is a gain, so we will debit this partner. Okay, so for goodwill I will have to pass one journal entry. Which is the journal entry? C का कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू ए का कैपिटल अकाउंट. And what was the amount? Amount is whatever is the gain or sacrifice into goodwill. Goodwill is already given 1,50,000. So I will write 1,50,000. Okay. So 1,50,000 divided by 6,000. So 6 2s are 12, 30. 6 5s are 30. So I will get the entry like this. And this journal entry should be given effect in partner's capital account. C debit karo 25,000. A credit karo 25,000. So I'll write like this. C ka account debit 25,000. But what we'll write? To A ka capital account. I am highlighting this entry. C का account debit 25,000, A का account credit 25,000. What we will write? By C का capital account. So raise your hand if you are able to understand how to give effect for goodwill. So whenever there is new ratio and old ratio, find sacrifice or gain. The partner who is sacrificing should be credited. A को credit करो. Partners who is gaining, here it is C, उसको debit कर दो. And accordingly you give effect to partner's capital account. Okay, C को debit, A को credit. Good. Now we have here next transaction. So Ansh, can you please read this transaction? Second one.
Land will be revalued at rupees 80,000 and building will be depreciated by 6%.
So देखो land valued at 80,000, land की original price थी 50,000. Now it used to be valued at 80,000. So value बढ़ गई है. So there is a profit. So I will write whenever there is a profit, revaluation credit side में हम लिखते हैं by land. New value लिखेंगे हम, new value, sorry, gain लिखेंगे. How much is the gain? 30,000. कैसे पता चला? New value of land is given 80,000. Revalued at 80,000 means new value is 80,000. Old value was 50,000. So फायदा हुआ है 30,000 का. And another effect in this balance sheet, land originally 50,000 tha, I will add revaluation 30,000 must be the increase in value, hence in outer column I will have new value 80,000. So land में फायदा है, but in case of building there is depreciation. Depreciation is reduction in value. So there is a loss in building. Whenever there is a loss, I need to debit revaluation account. So revaluation account debit to building account, how much there is a loss? 6% of building amount, which is 50,000. So 6% of 50,000. 1% means I ignore last two zeros. So 500 is 1%. So 500 ka 6 times will be how much? 3,000. So in building, there is reduction in value. So another effect will be here in balance sheet. Building was having 50,000 value, but I will write less revaluation, or you can also write depreciation. So there was 3,000 depreciation. So in outside column, we will have 47,000. Okay. So we have done adjustment for this. Then next adjustment. Ishita, can you please read this adjustment?
Creditors of rupees 6,000 were not likely to be claimed and hence should be written off.
Okay, not likely to be claimed. So it is a profit for you because you are not supposed to pay to the creditors. Okay, hence it is to be written off. So it is profit for you. So when you are not supposed to pay liability, it is your profit. Revaluation credit side likhna hai whenever there is a profit. So I will write revaluation credit side by creditors. So 6,000 of creditors I am not supposed to pay. So it is my profit. And another effect will be here. First of all, I will leave some space for capital accounts of partners, and then I will write other liabilities, creditors. So creditors, originally I was having 50,000, but then I will write less revaluation because I'm not supposed to pay 6,000 to my creditors. So it will be 44,000. So I have written creditors. Now there is no other adjustment. So go through other liabilities and assets. If there is no change, directly write in the balance sheet. For example, bills payable, no change, 20,000. So write as it is bills payable. So bills payable, if there is no change, write as it is. Then go through the asset side. Land we have written, building we have written, plant 1 lakh, no change. So I need to write plant as it is. If there is no change, write as it is. Then stock 40,000. So stock, no change, write as it is. Then debtors 30,000. So I will write debtors 30,000. And then bank 5,000. Then bank 5,000. So I have written all other assets where there are no changes. So now with this, we have completed the question. We just need to close the accounts. And first of all, we need to close revaluation account because profit or loss will be transferred to partners capital. So पहले revaluation close करना है. Which side is more? Credit side is more. So 30 plus 6, 36,000 credit balance, 36,000 debit balance, 36 minus 3. So this will give you 33,000. So this is the profit. This we will distribute to partners. So to partners capital accounts. And there are 3 partners, A, B, and C. And in the old ratio, we will divide 3 to 1. So 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6. Now please note 3 by 6 means half. So half of 33,000. So 16,500. And 1 by 6 means divide with 6. So 6 5s are 30. Then it will be again 30. So 6 5s are. And now you need to do double of this. So it will be 11,000. If you add this 11 plus 5, 16,500. And second effect of this, two partners capital. So partners capital credit side by revaluation account. 16,500, then 11,000, and then 5,500. So we have completed this revaluation account. Next target is to close the partners capital account and find the closing balance of partners account. Generally credit side is more. So 1 lakh plus 40, 140, 156, 500. So same total I will write here, 156, 500. I will write to balance carried down. So here generally you will get closing balance. So look here, in case of a 156, 500 is the balance which we are able to get. Then in case of B, 50 plus 10, 60, 71,000. So I will write 71,000 and here I will get 71,000. And look here, 71,000 for partner B, I have got the balance. Profit on revaluation वो भी आ गया था. Then I will close partner C, 25 plus 5, 30, 30 plus 5, 35,500. 35,500. Out of this, I will minus 25,000. So 10,500. Look here, 10,500. I have also got this balance. So I will write partners capitals account A, B, and C. Inner column. A is having the balance of 156,500. B is having the balance 71 and C is having the balance 10,500. If I add, then 0, 0, 5 and 5, 10, or would be 1, 7, plus 1, 8, and then 5 and 7, 12, plus 1, 13. So it is 238. And hold your breath, let's do the total. So 8 plus 4, 12. So 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3,02,000 I am getting on this side. Here let me see 80, 180, 220, 250, 255, and I have 47. Yes, here also I am getting 3,02,000 as the total of balance sheet. And look here, balance sheet total is 3,02,000, which we are able to get. So raise your hand if you are able to understand what to do in this kind of question. Okay, very good. Now we will take up a very simple question. I hope you have completed this. अगर बाकी हो तो आप मुझे बताओ. So now a very simple question we will take, and this question is about question number 22. So pay attention in question 22. A, B and C are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:2:1. So this is the old ratio. They decided to share profit with effect from 1st April 21 in the ratio 5:3:2. So this is the new ratio. There is a change in ratio. They also decided, now what is important in this question, they decided not to change the value of assets and liabilities in the books of the account. ये चीज important है कि कोई भी value change नहीं करनी है. Okay, and old values and new values are given. When they say don't change the value, इसका मतलब है don't open revaluation account. कोई revaluation account नहीं बनाना है because we did not change the values of assets and liabilities. तो हमें सिर्फ एक ही एंट्री पास करनी है. तो we just need to decide profit or loss. So चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 इजी है. I will write calculation of gain या फिर loss on revaluation. अब ये कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 types of assets. So I will prepare one table like this. First of all, I will write the nature, old value, new value, and whether there is profit or not. So I will write whether there is an asset or liability. I will write new value, then old value, new value minus old value will give me generally gain. किसके लिए? अगर एसेट है तो. सो एक काम करते हैं, लेट अस नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट दिस. We just write new value, old value and gain or loss. So first one, we are having machinery. New value is 3 lakhs, old is 2,50,000. So फायदा है या नुकसान है? Profit or loss? There is a profit of 50,000. Then next we have computers. New value is 175. Old was 2 lakh. New value is lower. Old value was higher. So there is a loss of 25,000. Okay. Then third one, sundry creditors. Please note creditors is your liability. So new value is 75. Old value was 90. So मुझे सोच कर बताओ whether there is profit or not. Yes, there is a profit. In case of liability, if value is lower, then it is beneficial. New value कम है तो beneficial है. So 15,000 का gain. Then we have outstanding expenses. So these two are basically liabilities. So liabilities में कम value is better. So here new value is 25,000 and old value was 15,000. So there is a loss. New value is more. So there is a loss of 10,000. And finally, you will have to do total of final net profit or loss. So I will write net profit. So look here, 50,000 and 15,000. So 65,000 is the profit and 25 and 10. So 35 is the loss. So ultimately, there is a profit of how much? 30,000. Okay. So working note number 2 is to find gain or sacrifice of partner. So we know the format. Partners are A, B, and C. So I will write A, B, and C. First of all, new ratio minus old ratio, and this will give me gain or sacrifice let's see. New ratio is 532. So 5, 3, and 2. Old ratio is 2 to 1. So 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5. But I want 10 here. So I will multiply with 2 by 2. So 4 by 10. Here 4 by 10. Here it will be 2 by 10. Now 5 by 10 minus 4 by 10. So 1 by 10 there is a gain. तो इस पार्टनर को हम डेबिट कर देंगे. 3 by 10 minus 4 by 10. So minus 1 by 10 there is a sacrifice. So we will credit this one. 2 by 10, 2 by 10. No gain, no sacrifice. So now we got the entry. So our answer, which is adjustment entry, is very easy. So I will debit A का कैपिटल अकाउंट जो जिसने गेन किया है, A का कैपिटल अकाउंट debit. 2, I will credit those who have sacrificed. So 2B's capital account. What is the amount? Gain or loss into total profit. Total profit is how much? 30,000. So this 30,000 I need to adjust in gain या loss ratio. So it is 3,000. So my entry is A का account debit to B का account 3,000. And look here, A का account debit, B का account credit 3,000. So we are able to pass this entry. And don't forget to write the narration. Narration is being profit on revaluation adjusted on change in profit sharing ratio. If you have time, you can, prepare the format of journal like this. So I hope you are able to understand. If we are not supposed to prepare revaluation account, if we should not change the values of assets and liability, then treat just like goodwill. Okay, jitna profit ya loss hai finally, that needs to be adjusted through gain ya sacrifice ratio. So raise your hand if you are clear about this question. Okay, so we will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow again, we will solve few more questions. So we are about to end with this session. This chapter is easy and we will start with next chapter, which is admission after 2-3 sessions. Okay, chaliye, bye bye.